Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. So it was certainly a good idea yesterday to start tracking the bullish scenario after I told you that here we had two bullish events. One was the breaking of a descending trend line that was broken. The other one was a move above the wave 1 high, which invalidated the bearish pattern. I then did a relabeling of the chart here and indicated that, yeah, from here we could start to move up in a wave 3 now, and the target for that would be 54.4 cents. So let's see if we actually get there. It's still, if this is really a reversal of the trend, which at the moment this wave count indicates, we will have seen the low here at 40.3 cents. Bear in mind, there are different exchanges with different prices. I've always kind of complained that this low here is higher than this low. Apparently there are some exchanges, especially if you use USDT, where you have a perfect double bottom. Okay, so that is then less of a problem here. And yeah, so far it's been adhering perfectly to the wave count. Yeah, we had this nice impulse. I've been tracking lower prices from up here end of May, and I would have liked to see maybe another low, but we don't need to anymore. First of all, in a truncated wave arrangement we don't. Yeah, if the price increase after a low justifies that we don't make a lower low in a wave 5, then it can be used as a truncated low wave count, which we're doing here. Of course, if you do a double bottom, that's less of a problem. We'll need to check some other charts later, but for now we are following here the move up, and it could really be, with caution and take it with a pinch of salt at the moment, that the low for ADA was in here, because it could really be that with this 5-wave move the trend has changed back to the upside. It's still a bit unclear, but the situation that we broke into that wave 1 range here, which invalidates the imminent bearish wave count, suggests that something more bullish is unfolding here. And I told you in the last video that there is an ideal retracement level here for wave 2 in brackets. Yeah, and this was between the 50% and the 61.8% fib level. Told you in the same video though that it could also be we've seen the wave 2 already, the low, because we hit perfectly the 38.2% fib level, and we could draw a perfect trend line here. So from that point of view, a pullback trade setup is always a good trade setup. And yeah, indeed, we started to move away from that ascending trend line again, and probably have seen already the low of the wave 2. The only scenario in which we haven't seen the wave 2 low yet, and we need to observe that, but also that would be pretty much invalidated as soon as we get above the 48.5 cent level above that wave 2, would be if we in this wave 2 that is not finished yet, that this was just on A, B, C. But I must admit that wave B here, if it is one, comes across very impulsively. So we are currently looking for higher prices against the low of 44.2 cents. As long as this is holding, this is the very valid wave count, where we would now move up in 5 waves in a third wave. So this won't happen in a straight line. So again, it might be that in a let's just show you, might be that here in this wave to the upside, yeah, in maybe 1 or 2, that we pull back once more to the trend line. That would be a possible next entry point. Now, I'm not telling you to buy, but for anybody who's doing trading, it's just a trade idea, okay? Here in 5 waves to the upside, that's how it's going to look like. Okay, so it is in 5 waves, not one straight line. Okay, and that is currently here my view about ADA. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.